Question, and in fact, this one is on Exide Industries, and Naresh Shetty from Mumbai is asking about this. Bought 500 shares at a price of 478 rupees per share and wondering whether to add more at the current juncture. Amar, on the charts, how does it look?
I would say that Exide Industries clearly is in for consolidation because, again, it has a similar pattern wherein the intermediate term trend continues to remain bearish. But we are seeing that there is some sort of support for the stock coming around the 425, 430 odd level, whereas the resistance is around the 470. So ideally, he can hold on to his position. Once the stock starts sustaining with the 470 mark, then the stock could witness a rally towards the 520 odd levels. Otherwise, the stock could consolidate between, I would say, 420 on the downside and 470 on the upside.
All right, the next query is on Sapphire Foods, and this is coming in from Chandra Prabha, who's from Bengaluru. Now, she's received Sapphire Foods as a part of the ESOP plan of the company, and she wants to know as to, what the trajectory of the company looks like, because she's saying that the stock has been falling since a week, and we've seen that QSRs have not been performing very well. Saurabh, your view on Sapphire Foods?
Yeah, I'm expecting QSR to do well. For example, some of these stocks are even doing well. If you look at the Jubilant Food, the Domino's, they are doing good. The numbers were good. In case of Sapphire Foods, yes, the numbers were erratic. I mean, the clear path to the growth is not visible. But yes, the space is interesting. So I suggest, since you have got in the ESOP, so I suggest wait for 1 or 2 years. You will see good numbers approaching, and the stock price will do well.
But just a quick follow-up to that, if she's worried about the stock price eroding, and if she wants to move out, considering that it's an ESOP and she is looking for opportunities, should she move to something else, Saurabh?
See, I can only say about the space. The space is looking good to me. If she's worried about the price points, then maybe technical guy can be of help.
Very quick view then on the charts. Amar, do you have enough information and enough data to talk about the price trends for Sapphire?
Yeah, so if I look at Sapphire, what we are seeing here is that the stock is clearly in for consolidation, and higher levels are being sold into. So it has got, so it's in a range right now, and between 300 and 360. So I would suggest that whenever there's a pullback towards 330, 340, 350 levels, that can be a level for exit, because till the time the stock doesn't reach the 360 level, it could be in for consolidation, and the long-term charts definitely have weakened. Intermediate term trend, we are seeing a lack of momentum. On the downside, the stock is supported on the 300. So 300, 360 is the zone. Higher levels, one should look at least part booking.
Okay, all right. So that's the price trend that you'd like to know about.